गर्लफ्रेंड कैसे बनाए प्रिपरेशन के दौरान।
Hello people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi Kaba and this is a highly requested video, and by highly requested I mean 7 to 8 people who are NEET aspirants and are my subscribers. They constantly pinged me on Instagram to make a video related to the NEET questions, the NEET related doubts. So I may not be the best person, like the best person to tell you that what to do in these times, but yeah, surely I can tell you what I did, what worked for me and what can work for you. So regarding this, I had put a question sticker on my Instagram asking you guys that what are the problems you are facing. So I received many interesting problems and many interesting questions which I'd be addressing in this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first question is very interesting. It is why to prepare for NEET.
मुझे माफ कर दे आप लोग सारे, मुझे छुट्टी दे दे, मैं इस दुनिया से छुट्टी चाहता हूँ। आप नहीं जज्बाती ना।
Okay, so jokes apart, it is an entrance through which you can get admission into courses like MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, veterinary, etc. etc. There's a lot more to it. Okay, so the next set of questions are how to keep human distractions away at this age. And similar question, how to manage a relationship while preparing for NEET. Okay, so there are two types of people here. One who wants to manage it with the preparation, and the other one who wants to stay away from it, but they are struggling to do so. My opinion, honestly, you should stay away from these things because relationships themselves require a lot of things, a lot of efforts that you have to put into. And unless and until you are in a very healthy relationship, which is not the case in most of the people, so yeah, I guess you should like stay away from these things when you are preparing for an exam like NEET. Next question is what were your study hours? So I personally did not have any fixed study hours. I used to study 6 to 7 hours average a day. एंड मैंने ऐसे लोगों से बहुत सुना था कि नीट में तो 12-12 घंटे पढ़ना पड़ता है, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट इज़ ट्रू इफ़ यू डू लाइक डायरेक्टेड लर्निंग, इफ़ यू आर कंसिस्टेंट. Like if you study every day for 6 to 7 hours, and when NEET was around the corner like 1 to 2 months before, then I increased my study hours to 10 to 12 because that is important. When NEET is around the corner, you have to revise all the things, the syllabus is huge, so then you have to like make your study hours at least 10. And when like during the whole period of preparation, it's not important to study like 12 hours a day, but at least you should study 6 hours a day.
So the first thing that I would like to talk about is the last minute, pressure or jitters that you get when your exam is very close and you start stressing about how good your preparation is or have you prepared enough or not. And this happened a lot to me as well कि in the last months I really thought कि मैं सही कर रही हूँ या नहीं कर रही हूँ, and whatever I was doing, was I right or not, was I prepared enough or not. So the first and foremost thing that you can do here is to let your self-doubt go and have faith in yourself, in what you have prepared for, and know that whatever you have done is probably the best that you could have done, and have proper faith in yourself and your preparation. Then the second thing is to plan out your day. जो लास्ट के कुछ दिन बचते हैं उसमें it is very crucial I think to have a proper drawn out schedule ki which day you are going to do what subject, and to also give yourself proper breaks during study times, because when you study for long periods of time, so your brain tends to lose focus. So it would be good to squeeze in 5 minutes break between every 20-30 minutes or so of studying.
Okay, so the next question is I always forget the things I try to remember. Is it common or specific to me? So whoever asked this question, this is not specific to you, this is very common, and I cannot stress this enough, but revision is very 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 important in exams like NEET. So make sure your syllabus is completed beforehand, at least 1 to 2 months before the NEET exam date. And even if it's not completed, then you should complete the high yield portions, the portions where most of the questions come from, and then you have to revise those portions repeatedly.
So the next thing that I would like to talk about is the importance of tests. So I have seen a lot of people do this, that they think that preparation पूरी नहीं हुई है अभी, तो जब preparation पूरी हो जाएगी, जब सब कुछ रिवाइज हो जाएगा तब टेस्ट देंगे. तो this mindset is very very bad, and please change it if you have one like this, because I think that test is the most important thing in all of preparation. It helps you assess how well you have prepared a particular topic, and I would suggest कि you let go of that attitude कि जब पूरा हो जाएगा syllabus तब टेस्ट देंगे, because last के 3 या 4 महीने I remember I gave a single test almost every day. एक टेस्ट तो I used to give हर रोज, and that really helped me assess कि what were my weak points, what were the questions that I was doing wrong bar, and that helped me assess my mistakes, and so that I could not make mistakes. And that also helps you give a mindset of what the examination conditions will be like when you sit continuously for 3 hours and solve a paper. So the next advice would be, I think, to give as many tests as you can. It gives you a real-time check on how well your preparation is, how well prepared you are.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ माई फेवरेट. नींद आती है पढ़ते हुए, फ़ोन चलाने का मन होता है. एंड सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस की हाउ टू ओवरकम डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, हाउ टू ओवरकम phone distractions. So the biggest distraction is not your phone, it's your social media. Just quit it. Just quit social media for 2 years you are preparing for NEET, because I think every person who is in a top government medical college did not use social media at all while he or she was preparing for NEET. Just quit it for 2 years, and after 2 years when you will be in a government medical college, when you will be pursuing your MBBS, you will be more than happier to use it. So just quit it for 2 years. Last question and the most interesting question is, गर्लफ्रेंड कैसे बनाए प्रिपरेशन के दौरान. Although context से बाहर हो जाएगा, but the first step to get a girlfriend is to stop trying to get a girlfriend. Thank you guys for watching it till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and share it with all the NEET aspirants so they can get benefit from it. See you soon. Bye.